I'm gonna go save Oreo. I'm saving your. Oh, that's. I want to save himself. Okay. Now, who else should I try to get? Okay, so there's a cat right down here. I'm gonna try to get this one. Okay. I'm trying to get this one inside the bucket. Get in there. Oh.
Its eyes are glowing.
Get inside the bucket. Okay, so I'm gonna try to capture something in here. No one needs this. I'm gonna try to get a cat inside here. Most likely gonna
Oreo.
right there. Try to get a cat in the bucket. This one over here. Here's gonna be famous. You're gonna be He's getting in. Yes! Yeah, there we go. We got him in the bucket. We got him in the bucket. Say hi. Oh, yes. So we're
Some mama. Some mama. This baby.
Big Mama. That's Big Mama. We're gonna let it down in this bucket. In this basket. Oh, there we go.
Bye bye.